flooded roadways. The tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea. Thunderstorm warning for central Sampson County in central North Carolina until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles west of Clinton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Roseboro, Salemburg, Turkey, and Otreville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in North Carolina.